Hey, hi, lovely people. Welcome back to our happy place. I hope all of you are doing great and staying safe, as the same here. It's been a while since we posted videos as we were really tied down with work. So, today, since the weather was really calm and beautiful and very cozy, we thought that we would shoot a video for all of you. All these flowers are from our balcony that you can see over here. So we will be showing you the balcony makeover in a couple of days from now. Stay tuned for all the videos that we will be posting shortly. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. This is the entire area that we are going to show you, the makeover that we have done. Just removed all the existing screws so that we could just patch it up before we do the wallpaper. Remove this upcycled drawer. As you all know, you have seen how this entire place has been before, so it's going to be a total transformation as well. Did a little bit of cleaning. There wasn't much of dust to be taken off as we clean our kitchen on a regular basis. So we're going to start with this corner of the wall, and we're going to place this brick wallpaper that we had already showed you in our previous video. And we're just going to cover this entire splashback with this wallpaper over here. We just thought that we could go all around the kitchen with the same wallpaper as it would give a good facelift. So now we have done this area and we have just gone into the other section as well, which we'll be showing you later. But for now, if you can see the coverage, it's really pretty and we are very happy with the outcome and the quality and material of this wallpaper. So moving on to the next part was this beautiful DIY shelf that we are going to fix over here. And now I'm just going to show you all the things that I placed on this shelf. I just placed this candle stand and put our all-time favorite quote over here in the corner. I'm just going to set this up over here with all our spice masala bottles. I just used this IKEA shelf and just turned it over to give it a little bit of height, so that I will be able to see all the bottles that are placed on top and the ones that are placed in front of it. These are just the basic spice masalas that we use on a daily basis that we are placing here. We have lots more that we will be adding a little later, but for now I'm just going to show you how we placed all our bottles over here and how functional and spacious this area has become. We just love to make changes and give everything a little bit of a facelift every now and then, just for us to feel good and give us a good vibe. So these are the little things that we do on a regular basis, like changing things in the kitchen, changing things in the living room and in the places of our beautiful home. So over here to this side, I placed this beautiful hanging vine just to give it a facelift, and just added these small little bottles over here to complete the entire look. All these things have become so functional and so easy for us to use. So here comes our little beauty. This is a new addition to the kitchen. It is our spice box that we picked up, and I'm just going to transfer all our dried spices into this. I'm not using it for our spice masalas, but just for the dried spices. It has a lot of compartments, so I'm just going to transfer all this into them.
Too scared now, thinking I should call up I think it's hard how we always wait another day, how we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend.
So filled up everything, the required things only were put into this box. Now I'm just going to place this beautiful marble stand, on top of which I'm placing our spice box, which will be of ready access for us. On top I'm placing this kitchen coat. Down below I'm just going to place this upcycled biscuit tin for our oil bottles. To the side of this oil organizer, I placed this beautiful IKEA tissue holder, and I just thought I could use it in a different way, in which I've placed my wooden platters. I didn't expect it to be so beautiful, and it just impressed me so much.
I think it's hard how we
In front of our platters, I decided to place this round wooden stand on which I put our mortar and pestle. It's a marble one. So on the side, I placed this Moroccan black ceramic jar in which I've placed all our wooden spatulas. This place has turned out so clutter-free and so convenient with so much of space to work around.
I wish we were bold.
So this is the last thing that I would like to share with you. These are small little beautiful bamboo coasters that we picked up. You can also dry small vegetables on them. And this is the final outcome, guys. Don't you feel that this has given such a good facelift to our kitchen? Please do let me know what you think about this video. Do like, comment and share. Do subscribe to our channel. Do give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Take care. Bye for now.
I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care. Just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away.